By the end of this video, you will know how to use custom invoice numbers in QuickBooks Online. To begin, go to the Settings icon in QuickBooks Online. This is the gear icon near the top of the screen. Click it, then select Account and Settings. This opens the area where you can control how forms and transactions behave in your company file. Once you are in Account and Settings, click the Sales tab. The Sales section includes options that affect invoices and other sales forms. So this is where the custom invoice number setting is stored. In the Sales tab, look for the Sales Form Content section. When you find it, click the Edit icon, shown as a pencil. This opens the settings for the information and controls connected to your sales forms. If you do not see the option right away, pause for a moment and scan the section carefully before continuing. Inside this Edit panel, find the option labeled Custom Transaction Numbers. Turn that option on. This allows you to type your own invoice number instead of relying only on the number QuickBooks assigns automatically. Make sure the setting is enabled before moving on, because the Invoice No field will follow this preference when you create a new invoice. After turning the option on, click Save, then click Done to close the Settings panel and return to the main QuickBooks screen. At this point, the feature is active and you are ready to use it on a new invoice. Next, click the plus New button. From the menu that appears, select Invoice. This opens a blank invoice form where you can enter the details for the transaction. On the invoice form, locate the Invoice No field. Click into that field and enter the custom invoice number you want to use. This can be any number or format that fits the numbering system you follow in your business, as long as it matches the way you want to track the invoice. The key detail here is that you are entering the number directly into the invoice form, rather than accepting the automatic sequence. After that, complete the rest of the invoice details. Fill in the customer information, products or services, amount, and any other fields you normally include on the invoice. Once everything is entered and reviewed, choose either Save and Close or Save and Send, depending on whether you want to finish the invoice now or send it right away. Your invoice is now saved with your custom invoice number in QuickBooks Online.